Hey everybody, how you doing? One Mechanic here again for a little tool haul overview. Um, so this this is a collaboration with Duratech tools. They reached out to me and they want to do a giveaway with me. And the giveaway will be on my Instagram page, One Mechanic, and I'll leave a link below. But if you go over there and follow Duratech Tools and myself and tag 3 people in a post, every 3 tags per post is 1 entry into the contest. And if you are subscribed to my YouTube channel right here, this will be an extra bonus entry for you. But I want to show these off. Been excited to see these. These are the Duratech Ratcheting extra long wrenches. There's the sleeve. Fully polished drop forged alloy steel, extra long beam, and it comes with the foam. It does have a lifetime warranty. And the sizes in this is 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 19, and 22. And they come in a beautiful foam case. Just like that. And these look really nice. I have been really impressed with Duratech tools. They have come a long way since starting out with their tool line. I think the quality's gone up quite a bit on their tools. Matter of fact, I've actually ordered another tool from them, which there'll be a video on that here shortly. And there's a reason why I ordered the tools from them than other places. But here is the 22. I mean, look how long that is. It's very nice. It's actually stamped, not etched. It has a nice offset on it. And of course, the ratcheting in. So there's no reverse lever on it. If you want to go the other way, you have to flip it over. I've not used these yet. This is an overview. Like I said, they sent these to me because they wanted to do a giveaway with me, and this will be my first giveaway, so that's pretty awesome. But I think that these are really neat. I've been looking at these. I would love to have an SAE version of these. Let's do 13. And look how long the 13 is. Make sure it's right side up. There we go, 13. And look how nice, the beam's nice and rounded. And again, it has the offset. These are 12 points. And again, ratcheting. And to reverse the ratchet, you do have to flip it over. I will post a link here with a screenshot of Amazon listing for the current price as of this video is made. There could be other discounts or sales. I mean, you never know. But like I said, I'm giving a set of these away with Duratech. So go over to my Instagram page. Again, the link will be in the description below. to my Instagram page, and every 3 tags is 3 tags in one post is a vote or an entry. You can do that as many times with as many different people as you want to. And for an extra bonus, subscribe to my channel here, and over on Instagram, share the story to your story for an extra chance, making sure to tag myself, One Mechanic, and Duratech Tools. Alright, hope you guys have been safe and happy and healthy. Take care. One Mechanic out. Ciao.
Ain't nobody stopping me.